Executive Summary. Quinn start business since 21 August 2021 and was registered at SSM on 21 October 2021 as partnership business. Our mission is leave lasting impress of our product in the minds of your consumer. Encourage them to choose our product. We offer 3 different popcorn flavor. Customer can choose their favorite taste. This business was established to meet the demand of customer, especially the student at college, to get tasty and quality snack at reasonable price. Our popcorn is daily fresh make. Our popcorn also to be halal is permitted for the Muslim people. Introduction. The demand for industrialism continue to grow. To save the world for a condition of security and providing, everyone goes about doing what they can with the migrants resources that are not being sequestered by war to create one tiny enterprise or another. And all with the goal of surviving. Every small company owner receive considerable support from the government, which in according with the law fulfills her responsible in order to ensure that success of the business. Quinn Popcorn is a partnership business that sells product popcorn with tasty flavors such as caramel, cheese, and chocolate. Popcorn is one of the most versatile snacks around, making it the perfect party food. The target market mostly for people who love snacks and also for kids and teenagers. Our business was registered at SSM on 21 October 2021 and has started operating at the 10 Jalan Hijau 1/8 Rawang, Selangor. This business plan to get financial loan from SME to purchase additional equipment such as popcorn machine making. This loan will be paid monthly as in the agreement. Message that establish a business focus. The primary purpose of a business plan is establish plan for the future. This plan should include goals or milestones alongside detailed steps of how the business will reach each step from main goals. The process of creating a roadmap to our goals will help determine our business focus and pursue growth. This is our business background. Business name Quinn Popcorn. Business address 10 Jalan Hijau 1/8 Rawang, Selangor. This is our first number 01173624302. Email queenpc@gmail.com. Types of business partnership. Main activity sell popcorn. Started date 10 October 2021. Register SSM number is 212375. Internet capital 10,000. This is owner background. The first partner is Susnalena binti Hashim as a general manager. The second one is Wang Joey as a financial manager. The third one is Sharifah binti Stama as an admin manager. The fourth one is Nur Aina Farisha binti Muhammad Azizi as an operation manager. The last one is Nur Ilya Izzati binti Muhammad Zain as a marketing manager.
Human Resource Plan. Business Vision. Create the best popcorn in Malaysia. Business Mission. Provide quality, fast and flexible service to achieve customer satisfaction. Make popcorn as a door gift for various specific occasion by doing good promotion and introduction directly to the community or even by placing investment in the media. Being a snack product of public interest. This is our business logo and our business tagline is the better snack option. Business structure. General business is Usna Dayana binti Hashim. Marketing manager is Nur Elia Izzati binti Muhammad Zain. Operating manager is Nur Aina Farisha binti Muhammad Azizi. Admin manager is Sharifah binti Sulaiman. And the lastly is finance manager is Wang Joey. Labor plan for our company. Position for labor plan is general manager, marketing manager, operating manager, admin manager and finance manager. For number of employees, we just have 1 employee for every position. Duties and responsibilities. General Manager, responsible for planning, organizing, and supervising the activity. And then responsible for planning future production and checking the quality of popcorn. And then the Marketing Manager, approve and oversees the creativity development of promotion material, website content, advertisement, and other marketing. And then adjust marketing strategy as needed in responsible to collect data and other feedback. And then the Operating Manager. Operation Manager included for accumulating strategy, improving performance, procuring material, and then it oversees the organizational activity of business, government agencies, not-profit group, and other organizations. Admin Manager. As an admin manager, will be responsible for helping the smooth running of the business by ensuring filing and documentation is kept up to date. And then planning and coordinating administrative, producer and system and devising way to stream. Finance Manager, daily reporting, collecting, interpreting, and reviewing financial information. Duties include reviewing financial report, monitoring account, and prepare financial forecast. Remuneration. Position as a general manager for the salary and allowance is 1,600 ringgit. For Kerala WSP is 240 ringgit and then per peso is 40 ringgit 75 cent. The total net salary for general manager is 2,740 ringgit 45 ringgit 25 cent. Position as a marketing manager, admin manager, operating manager, and finance manager for the salary and allowance is 1,400 ringgit. For Kerala WSP 200 ringgit and per peso is 12 ringgit 75 cent. And then for the total net salary is 2,287 ringgit 25 cent. List of human resources asset. First is office equipment. For this business, we have two equipment, that is computer and printer. Price of computer is 2,500 ringgit and printer is 500 ringgit. The total price for office equipment is 3,000 and the yearly depreciation is 1,200. Second is furniture. The first furniture is chair. We have 4 chair, the price is 1,000. Second is dash. We have 2 table, the price is 500. And the last furniture is ceiling fan. We have 2, the price is 200. The price of the furniture is 1,700 and the yearly depreciation is 170 ringgit. The lastly is feature and fitting. First is aircon. The price is 1,500. And then we have 3 lamp. The price is 500 ringgit. And we also have 2 fan. The price is 400 ringgit. The total price of the feature and fitting is 2,400 ringgit. And the price of yearly depreciation is 240 ringgit. List of human resource expenses. A4. Monthly expenses is 50 ringgit. File monthly expenses is 20 ringgit. Office rental monthly expenses is 400 ringgit. Water and electricity monthly expenses is 250 ringgit. The total monthly expenses for human resources expenses is 720 ringgit.
Description of product or service. Quinn Popcorn sell product popcorn with tasty flavors such as caramel, cheese, and chocolate. Each product is high quality and reasonable price. Our popcorn is also daily fresh made to ensure customer can get fresh popcorn. Besides that, our product also long shelf life because we choose plastic packaging. Customer profile: PMM student, all students at campus. Friend of popcorn, people who love popcorn. Online customer, Facebook or Instagram customer. 6.3 market size population. PMM student 3,000 people. Friends of popcorn 3,500 people. Online customer 20,000 people. Age between 50 to 35. There are an estimated 26,500 people targeted by Quinn Popcorn. Estimated that 0.05% of the 26,500 or 1,325 people will be Quinn Popcorn customers. It is estimated that a customer will pay Rm10 to buy our product at the minimum price. 6.4 Analysis of main competitors. List of competitors: Supreme Popcorn. Strength: unique brand, famous brand, many people know. Weakness: popcorn for sale, no daily fresh made. Unattractive packaging. 6.5 Monthly sales forecast. Name of product: caramel. January total sale 3,000. February total sale 3,500. March total sale 5,000. April total sale 4,000. May total sale 5,000. June total sale 3,000. July total sale 4,000. August total sale 3,200. September total sale 2,500. October total sale 3,000. November 5,000. December 4,300. Chocolate. January total sale 2,000. February total sale 5,000. March total sale 3,000. April total sale 4,000. May total sale 5,000. June total sale 4,900. July total sale 4,000. August total sale 5,200. September total sale 5,000. October total sale 3,000. November total sale 4,500. December total sale 5,000. Cheese. January total sale 5,000. February total sale 3,000. March total sale 4,000. April total sale 3,000. May total sale 3,000. June total sale 2,500. July 5,000. August total sale 2,200. September total sale 2,000. October total sale 3,400. November 5,000. December total sale 4,100. 6.6 Marketing strategy. First is product. Raw material. Primary raw material: mushroom corn kernel, caramel powder, cheese powder, and chocolate. Production: daily fresh made. Production based on product demand. Brand: Quinn Popcorn. Packaging: plastic stand-up pouch. Durability: long shelf life for 2 to 3 weeks. Price: to ensure that Quinn Popcorn is chosen by people who love popcorn, we offer affordable price but high quality. The price for each product is determined by price of competitors and by cost for product. Because it's not a business that focuses on profit maximization, so we will not put a high price. Caramel, we will post Rm10. Chocolate, Rm10. Cheese, Rm10. Promotion. Quinn Popcorn conducts online and offline promotion. Online promotion is through FB page and Instagram, include posting text and image art tag, video about our product to attract new customers. The offline promotion tools we use are business card, logo, and discount. Promotional strategies are very important to introduce product and build our product brand. After that is placed, Quinn Popcorn operates tools online such as social media. We will share basic information about our product, picture and video. Customer can buy the product through our Facebook and IG. Free shipping is Rm6, no shipping charge for face-to-face transaction. 6.7 List of marketing expenses. Discount: monthly expenses Rm50, yearly expenses Rm600. Business card: monthly expenses Rm50, yearly expenses Rm6,000. Bundling: monthly expenses Rm20, yearly expenses Rm240. Bundling stand: monthly expenses Rm25, yearly expenses Rm300. Total monthly expenses Rm145. Total yearly expenses Rm7040.
Hi, my name is Naina Falisha binti Muhammad Dizi from DPR 3A. My number matrix 14 DPR20F1023. Today I want to talk about operation plan, which is process flow chart. Firstly, we order goods to the supplier. Second, goods delivered from supplier. Third, examination of goods. Fourth, goods store. 5, good transfer to the store. 6, customer comes into the store and make a selection. 7, customer bring the goods to the counter. 8, packaging operation. 9, receive payment from customer. And lastly, customer is satisfied and return home. Thank you. Okay, next is production or purchase unit for our product for caramel. For January, we have 400 units. February, also 400 units. March, we have 500 units. April, we have 450 units. May, 550 units. June, 300 units. July, we have 450 units. August, we have 350 units. September, 300 units. October, 300 units too. November, we have 600 units. And lastly, December, 450 units for caramel. Next is for chocolate. For January, we have 250 units. February, we have 500 units. March, 350 units. April, 450 units. May, 600 units. June, we have 500 units. July, we have 450 units. August, 550 units. September, 500 units. October, we have 300 units. And November, 450 units. And lastly, December, 500 units for chocolate. Next is cheese. For cheese, for January, we have 500 units. February, 350 units. March, we have 450 units. April 300 units. May, 360 units. June, 300 units. July, we have 500 units. August, 300 units. September, 390 units. October, we have 400 units. November, 500 units. And lastly, December, 500 units for cheese. Next is monthly raw material requirement. For caramel, quantity is 50. Price per unit is 5 ringgit. Total purchases is 250 ringgit. For chocolate, quantity is 50. Price per unit 5 ringgit. And total purchases is 250 ringgit also. And next is cheese. Quantity is 50. Price per unit 5 ringgit and total purchases is 250 ringgit. Next is monthly purchase, which is packaging, which is box. Quantity is 50. Price per unit is 2 ringgit. Total purchases is 100 ringgit. Next is packaging, which is plastic bag. Quantity is 100. Price per unit is 80 cent. Total purchases is 80 ringgit. That's all. Thank you. So next is space layout and location plan of operation. So for the first picture, as you can see, there is a map. There is a map that locate our store at number 10 Jalan Hijau 1/8 Rawang, Selangor. And you can search our store at Google Maps or any apps that you want to use. Next is space layout. When you enter our store, you can see there is a display counter and cashier. And besides cashier, there is a chiller product and display. And in front of the chiller product and display have a kitchen. And beside kitchen, there is a store. That's all from me. Next is list of operating expenses. First item is transport. For monthly expenses, we got 200 ringgit. Yearly expenses, 2,400 ringgit. And second item is water filter rain, which is KOWI. Monthly expenses, 50 ringgit. Yearly expenses is 600 ringgit. And third item, water and electricity. For monthly expenses, 200 ringgit, and yearly expenses 2,400 ringgit. And total for monthly expenses, we got 450 ringgit, and for yearly expenses, we got 5,400 ringgit. That's all.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah binti Sulaiman. I am the admin manager. So today I'm going to present about our financial plan. So here is the slide of the project implementation cost and sources of fund. So first we have here is internal expenses. Under internal expenses we have business registration, internet unified deposit, and also electrical and water. This is a total for 3 months. For the business registration is 70 ringgit. For the internet unified deposit is 100. Electrical and water is 200. For the sources of fund, internal capital, business we have 70 ringgit, internet unified 100, and also electrical and water 200. Total for our internal expenses is 370. Here is the B is purchase of non-current assets. We have furniture, office equipment, fixture and fitting. For total for 3 months, furniture is 1,700, office equipment is 3,000, fixture and fitting is 2,400. For sources of fund for the purchase non-current asset, capital loan MARA is 170 for the 1,700 for the furniture. Office equipment is 3,000. Fixture and fitting is 2,400. And total for that is 307. Is total for the purchase non-current asset is 7,100. So this is part for the expenses for 3 months. Human resources. Under human resources we have remuneration, APF and per so, and also store rental. So for the first month for remuneration is 7,200, and for 3 months is 21,600. For the EPF and per so we have 300, and after 3 months is 900. Store rental for the first month we have 200, and for the second after 3 months we have 600. So in the part of internal capital for the human resources, for remuneration we have 7,200, and EPF and package so 900. Store rental is 600, and for the capital loan MARA for our under remuneration we have 40,400. Under the marketing, we have a Bunten stand, business card and Bunten. For the first month for Bunten stand is 25 ringgit, and for the 3 months is 75 ringgit. And business card for the first month is 50 ringgit, and after the 3 months 150. For the Bunten for first month is 20 ringgit, and after 3 months is 6 ringgit. In the internal capital for the Bunten stand is 75 ringgit, business card 150, Bunten 30 ringgit, and for the internal loan MARA for the Bunten is 30 ringgit. Operation we have a water filter KOWI, water, electrical and transport. For water filter for first month is 50 ringgit, and after 3 months is 150, and for our water electricity is 200. Transport is 200 for the first month, and after 3 months is 600. And internal capital for the water filter KOWI is 75 ringgit, and loan MARA is 75 ringgit. And for the water electricity for the internal loan MARA is 200, and transport internal capital is 600. Total for that is 24,335, and total implementation cost is 21,805. Total sources of financial for internal capital is 10,000. For the internal capital loan MARA, internal capital MARA is 21,805. So let's move on to the cash flow. So here is the cash flow. So for the sales, for the after a year sales is 1,138,300. After second year 1,135,960, and after third year is 199,152. And this is total cash flow after a year is 149,200 and 195,960, and for the third year is 199,152. And for the cash outflow, purchase for non-current asset, pre-operation have 1,000, 3,000, and 1,000 for furniture. First equipment is 3,000, and feature and fitting is 3,000. And total after a year is still 1,000 for furniture, office equipment 2,000, feature and fitting is 1,000. So total for after a year is 4,000. Next is internet expenses, and then there has business registration, internet unified deposit, and water electric. For pre-operation is 70 ringgit for business. For the internet unified deposit is 100, and electrical and water for 200. After a year, business become 70 ringgit after 3 years, and for the internet unified deposit is 100, and for the water electrical and also water and electrical is 200. So total for a year internet expenses is 570, and for after second year and third year is 70 ringgit. Here is human resources expenses, remuneration, APF per peso, store rental. Store rental is pre-operation is 60 ringgit. And for the remuneration monthly is 7,200, and EPF per peso is 300. After a year, remuneration become 89,400. APF per peso is 3,600, and for the store rental is 2,400, and total for 1 year is 22,400. Is same with the second and third year. So now is under the marketing expenses, bunting stand, bunting business card, and also bunting. After a year, bunting card is 125. Business card is 100, and bunting is 80 ringgit. So total for after a year is 305, and for third year 370, and the third year is 423. For the operation expenses, we have water, filter, walkway, water and electricity, and transport. After a year, total is 900. For the water and electricity is 2,400. Same to the transport, 2,400, and total is 5,400. For after second year is 5,400, and for after third year same like the second year, 5,400. So total for cash outflow for pre-operation we have a 7,970, and after a year our total cash flow is 1,200. And for the third year, for the second year in 98,240, and for the third year 98,293. So our deficit after a year is 49,725, and for the second year is 60. For the deficit, we have 46,725, and for the second year in 66,720, and for third year is 1,859. For the opening balance, we have after a year is 60,000. Second year 160,725, and for the third year is 174,445, and last for the closing balance is 1,600 160,725 and 144,000 for the second year, and for the third year is 304. For our projected income statement for 3 years, for our net sales for 2020 is 103,500, and 2021 is 125,960, and 2022 is 199,124. For our minus with the cost of good sales is for 2020 is 20,000. 20,000. For 2021 is 24,000, and 2022 is 28,000. And also minus with the closing stock, and total is our gross profit for 2020 is 111,500, and 2021 is 143,960, and for 2022 is 170,124. For our total expenditure for 2021 is 31,320, and for 2020 total expenditure for 2020 is 31,320. 2021 is 21,320, and same to the 2022. And our net profit for 2020 is 18,850, and 2021 is 112,940, and for the 22 is 138,804. So for the total non-current asset for 2020 is 7,100, 2021 is 5,100, and 22 is 3,100, and total asset for 2020 is 22,431, and 2021 is 19,931, and for 2022 is 50,931. So for our total equity and liability for 2020 is 102,100, and for the 2021 is 132,677, and for the 2022 we have 156,905. Total equity and liability for the 2022 is 157,590. So let's move on to last but not least, our repayment schedule, loan and MARA. Total loan is 21,805, and our interest rate is 5% for a year. Duration is 4 years for 48 months. Our repayment begins August 2021. Total principal per month 451,271. Total interest per month 70,859. So this is a year for 5 months, 12 months. Third year is 12 months, fourth year is 12 months, and fifth year is 7 months. Our total repayment for 1 year 5 months is 2,384, and balance principals is 90,000. Total repayment for the 1 month 1 year 2,384.92 cents. Principal balance is 90,533. For the second year is 5,723. Same to the 3 year and the 4 year, and the 5 year is 3,338.96. And for the principal balance for the 3 months is 1,631, and for the 4 months is 3,179, and total principal is 21,500, and interest is 40,360, and for the total repayment is 22,869.25 cents. That's all for me. Thank you.